just a quick demo of how to get the Steel Flex MetGuard onto your boots. So they come packed in this eco-friendly, fully recyclable packaging, and the contents you've got are a pair of MetGuardz and installation instructions. They go on pretty quickly, so essentially you just remove the laces from your work boots. The key thing really is just to make sure that the front edge of the MetGuard is resting over the steel toe or the composite toe, and on these work boots that just means you just thread your two laces through the two securing holes, and that ensures the proper placement of the MetGuard on the footwear. And that means that if you suffer any impact, the load is transferred through the MetGuard and into the toe cap, and it's spread evenly over your metatarsal, therefore avoiding injury. You then lace the footwear up as you would normally, and tie it off, and then the MetGuard simply is positioned in place using the press stud. This MetGuard will work for high leg or mid-cut boots, and you'll see how quickly and easily that product goes on. So protecting you from impact from above, sharp objects, sparks, etc.